Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma on Thursday laid the foundation stone for a 10-bedded integrated AYUSH hospital at Merengipara in South West Garo Hills district, describing the project as a transformative step for healthcare delivery in the region. Addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma said the upcoming AYUSH hospital would not function as a conventional medical facility but as a specialized center focusing on lifestyle-related treatments. He noted that the hospital would promote Ayurveda, homeopathy and traditional systems of medicine, thereby expanding healthcare choices for the people in the years to come. The Chief Minister expressed satisfaction over the visible transformation in Mahendraganj, lauding the local MLA for closely monitoring development works with dedication and commitment while prioritizing public welfare. Highlighting the challenges faced by the border town in the past, Conrad Sangma said Mahendraganj had long suffered due to poor road connectivity. However, with support from both the state and central government schemes, road infrastructure in the border areas has improved significantly. He further informed that to mitigate the inconvenience caused by evening gate closures along the border, the MLA has proposed the construction of an alternative bypass road. A survey will soon be initiated to explore the feasibility of building bypass roads in border areas to ensure smoother movement and greater public convenience. Emphasizing that education remains a key priority of the government, the Chief Minister announced that a Science and Commerce College has commenced operations in the area. Recruitment of faculty has been completed and students have been encouraged to enroll from the current academic session. He reiterated the government's commitment to strengthening educational institutions and upgrading infrastructure across the state. Conrad Sangma also described the hilly Mahendraganj road as a potential, quote, game changer, unquote, that would enhance connectivity, attract investments and pave the way for developing the region into a strong industrial hub.
Repingrang ia project namin gamchat pegapa project onga 10-bedded integrated AYUSH hospital ia area songdongpa manderangna sana banani bidungo aro dengtang health ni facilities rangko aro service rangko ia AYUSH hospital ni utnamat gen chukmota na chumasia AYUSH hospital ni aganon anchini normal hospital kata ongja haida health services rang dongna ba donga ende ba AYUSH homeopathy ba lifestyle related treatment rangko ya AYUSH hospital on bata kasensen anchini traditional medicine rangko sama chukko aro dengtang anchini local medicine jerangko anchini traditional level anching songrango jakaling achim yarangko ba chinga kasensen scientifically yanona matbai yanona patimeng ya services rangko ba chinga jedako de arunam batte anchini mandrangna otnamat gen ka sensen ya kamrangko ba ka na chinga batchengen aro ya AYUSH hospital sanongja ende ba plug anchini Meghalaya ni dengtang AYUSH hospital anchini traditional medicine ko local medicine ko anching medike matchape anchini mandrangna aro anchini dengtang coverage rangna ba local healer rangna ba chinga nambata cholangko jedako de namat gen ya AYUSH hospital ni infrastructure rangko jakale ka sensen yarangko ba dakna chini mukswani rang donga